Welcome to Banner Ad Blueprint Bonus. First of all, I just want to quickly tell you about Banner Ad Blueprint. Basically what it is, it consists of training material teaching you how to get very cheap traffic to targeted offers, affiliate offers and CPA offers. It's all basically about media buying. Media buying basically is where you buy advertising space on other people's websites, mainly banner space. This is becoming really like the new Google AdWords, or rather how Google AdWords was, sort of 5 years ago. It's incredibly cheap. You can get targeted visitors to your site for under a penny a click. However, most of this traffic is actually going to be sent straight to the merchant's websites. You don't even need to build a website. So it's ideal if you're a beginner, because you don't need to build a website. You can just put these adverts up and start making money straight away. Who has created this course? Okay, well, the person who's created this course is Saj P. Now, who is Saj P? Well, Saj P is one of those underground affiliate millionaires. Those sort of people you hear about who make, sort of millions and millions of dollars a year, who very rarely come out, in public and tell people what they do. Well, that's Saj P. How do I know this? Well, I've known Saj personally for about a year now. I've been lucky enough to film some of his workshops. I own a video production company, and when Saj is doing a workshop, he asks me to come along and film it for him. So I filmed 5 of his workshops. He talks about media buying, CPA marketing, eBay marketing, I think he talks about, and affiliate marketing, list building, and they really get stuck into it here, and there's some incredible content here. I know personally Saj makes millions of dollars a year just through CPA marketing. How do I know this? Because in these videos he actually logs in to his ClickBank accounts and CPA accounts live on camera. And I know this wasn't a setup because his laptop actually wasn't working, and he had to, this laptop here, that's actually my laptop. And so he actually grabbed my laptop, put it up there, logged into his ClickBank account, and I was just blown away. This guy was making $10,000 a day just on ClickBank, and that was one account. And then he did the same with his, CPA marketing accounts, and the amount of money he was making, I was just, stunned. Because quite often, you see these screenshots of how much people are making on sales pages, and it's very hard to believe. But when somebody actually sits down on your personal computer and logs into ClickBank and you see how much money they're making, you sit up and take notice and start taking these people seriously. Anyways, in these videos he shows how he makes this money. It's incredible stuff. So you can get these videos for free. There's going to be basically what I've done, I've put together how is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 videos for you. Over 4 hours of content. It's not fluff. This is 4 hours of training. Really good stuff here. You can get these free. All you need to do is visit my website, banneradblueprint-bonus.com, and follow the instructions on how to get these videos for free. Basically, all you need to do is sign up through my affiliate link. If you're watching this video on YouTube, there's a link to the right of this video. Click on that, that will go through to my page. If you're on my page already, scroll down to the bottom, click on my link, buy Banner Ad Blueprint, email me your receipt, and I'll send you these videos for free.